Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be setting up valve timing on a Subaru 2.5 FBFA engine. I'm going to show you the timing marks, how to set it up, okay? Basically, it's the timing marks. Crankshaft on the bottom. Crankshaft, there's a little, the little keyway has to be 6 o'clock. And then there's going to be a mark about 6 degrees. If you're looking at the engine in the front, it's going to be on the right hand side, 6 degrees. Go under here, and you can see that it's just a tad off from the 6 degree mark. All right, and notice that both yellow links have to line up there. That's one of the timing marks there. Now you put the right hand side, looking at the engine again, right hand side or driver's side, so you can understand. You put that chain on first because it's the one that's closer to the engine, and then you put the other one on. Now this one's easier because it's going to have zero lift on the valve, so it's going to be like freewheeling a little bit. This one you're going to have to use some kind of like a wrench or a spanner wrench, something to hold it on both of them to line them up. Now, let me show you where the marks are. You're going to have your orange mark, and there's going to be a slash, okay? And also over here is going to be an arrow. I highlighted it, but it's an arrow. An arrow points down, and this arrow points up. And on the link over here, it's going to have a dot that matches the colored link over here. Just like this one over here has, it's not a dot, it's a line that matches up with that one. This matches up with this one on the bottom. Okay, and then on the crank where I just showed you the yellow one. On this side, same thing. You got your line up here, has to match with the colored link. You have your arrow pointing down and this arrow pointing up. They're pretty much in line. And then over here, you're going to have a dot with your other colored link. Okay, so it's really not that hard to mess this up. And the same thing over here. It has to match up with the yellow link. And there's a little, like I said, off to the side. You have your mark. And this is how it is. This is how it all. Then you're going to turn it. Now, when you turn it, you're going to make sure there's no binding. Make sure, everything feels smooth. You're going to lose the mark. So what you do is just put a mark, another mark. So when you time it, this link is not going to be here anymore. When you turn it over, that's fine. But as long as this mark on the cam over here matches this mark, and the same thing over here, this mark over here matches a mark that you make over there. On this side, mark over here is going to match with the cam over here. And on this one, the same thing over here is going to match over here. Don't worry about the links, like I said, when you turn it. And like I said, you put the right side chain on first. Then you put the left side. The left side is easier. And when you get them, you have to compress the chain tensioners and slide them on there. This one has an O-ring in the back of it. This one doesn't. And when you put them on, you release them, you tighten up everything. And like I said, give it like 4 revolutions. Make sure it's nice and smooth without the spark plugs in it. And make sure there's no binding and nothing like that. Your marks line up, you're good to go. Then you put your timing cover on. All right? So I thought I'd just, put this video out there because, especially in the car, you see all these marks, you may not know where everything goes. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.